Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Before restarting your Google Nest camera, prepare the tools and information you need. Unplug the camera from power and count to 10 slowly. Check the camera LED and note if it shows steady white or pulsing colors. Open the Google Home app on your charged phone and sign into the correct account. Make sure you have your Wi-Fi password available for reconnection. Clear nearby obstructions and ensure the camera has a stable mount and visible network signal. Use the Google Home app to perform a soft restart when possible for fewer disruptions. Open Google Home, select your Nest camera, then tap Settings and look for a reboot or restart option. If reboot is not available, force quit the app and restart your phone to clear any account glitches. Reconnect to Wi-Fi and wait 30 seconds to 90 seconds while the camera reboots and restores its cloud link. Verify live view loads, and the LED returns to normal operation. When soft steps fail, perform a full power cycle, and if needed, a factory reset. For power cycling, unplug the camera and wait 30 seconds before reconnecting to clear hardware faults. To factory reset, press and hold the camera reset button for 10 seconds until the LED flashes orange and the device restarts. After the reset completes, open Google Home and follow the Add Device flow to set up again. Enter your Wi-Fi password, name the camera, and verify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.